Before Dubai became a city of the future, it started right here. Come walk with me from Arsif to Al Fadi. If you have visited Dubai and you missed this place, you missed the real Dubai. Step back and discover where Dubai's story began. The old Dubai in 60 seconds. Let's go, guys. And from the charming waterfront of Al Sifu to the historical hurry of Al Fadi. So this is Dubai Soul. So let's step back and like in time and discover where Dubai's story began. So right here, people visit this place because it offers a unique grasp into Dubai's history. Is the perfect destination for tourists who want to explore tradition, Emirati culture, take beautiful photos, learn about the city past, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere along the creek. And if you are looking for the heart and soul of Dubai beyond the tall buildings, Al Sifu and Al Fadi are places you shouldn't miss to visit too. As soon as I arrived here, I noticed the unique blend of old and new Dubai. One side reflects traditional Emirati design, while the other offers modern shops, restaurants, and hotels. The atmosphere here is calm and welcoming, making it perfect place for leisure time, like leisure walk. You can go there and walk. You will saw so many things there. The old bicycle, very decorated. As you can see, this one, I think the moment they park it there, they never like lift it from there. So as I walk along the creek, I can feel the gentle breeze coming from the water. Dubai Creek, oh god, I like played a major role in the city development. Like it's an important trading route for merchants from different parts of the world. So many people visited this place. Long before Dubai became a global city, this creek was the center of the commerce and daily life. So that's why people always visit, and I think if you go there, you don't want to live there because the place is so cool and welcoming. So like on ground is when you look around, like you can see style building, style stones, like they are all gold. I don't know how we call it, but like shining stones around here. I don't know how I can mention it, like the wooden doors and stone walls. So it's so magical, and like they are creative. Visitors often to stop to take photos because every corner seems picture perfect. So yeah, when you go there, you think like, let me take a picture here and then, so you end up like time left even you. So one of the reasons people love visiting Al Sif is because it allows them to experience Dubai heritage in a relaxing environment. It's not too much crowded. Like you have space, you can walk, you can do whatever you want at your own pace. So it's like so good. The area successfully like preserves elements of the past while it still offers modern comfort. Yeah. So as I continue my walk, imagine what life must have been like here. I go traders, fishermen, and like a drivers once depended on the creek here. If you go there, you see the channel, and I think their livelihoods, they hard work helped to like lay the foundation for the city we see today. Yeah, I think it's better to keep this place because it's a memorable place. Everyone you go there, you saw so many things there. So yeah, and maybe on my way towards to Alfad historical neighborhood also, like one of the oldest heritage sites in Dubai. That transition feels like stepping into another area. The busy modern city fade into the background has the narrow pathway. So, and traditional building came into views. Oh God, I can't narrate this, but the place is so amazing and nice. The first thing I noticed is the famous wind. Known like locally as like Bujhel. I'll show you the video. If you continue watching this video, you're going to see in the video before. So that's what I can say, but it's so nice. And walking through the narrow lines, I admire the sun colored buildings and peaceful like counter yard. Oh God, Emirate Life, every building seems to hold a piece of history, maybe for them. And many of the restored house now serves as like a museum. As you can see, there are a lot of museums in this place, and culture centers and art galleries also. Visitors can learn about Dubai's history and traditional craft and local costumes, like an educational experience that helps people understand how the city elevates over time. So one of the most enjoyable things about Al-Fadi is simply wandering through the Harris without a specific destination. Around every corner, there is something interesting to discover, a hidden like country yard, an art exhibit, and small cafes. And so many restaurants there, seafood, McDonald's. So well, if you go there, don't feel like you stay hungry. Those buildings you see, so try to go inside, you'll find cafes. Here is the Museum of Illusions. So we are going to go. You will watch that in my next video. So here I didn't pin what I saw in the museum. So as I explore further, I noticed how quiet and peaceful the area feels despite being located in the heart of Dubai. Al Fadi offers a refreshing escape from the fast pace of city life. So, and one of the reason why tourists visit Al Fadi, because it provides an authentic cultural experience. So if you go there, you feel like, oh, you are where? It's a place where history, art, and tradition came together like the modern attraction that Dubai is famous for. This neighborhood reveals the city's root and heritage. So photographers especially love this area, and the traditional like shaded pathways and historical detail creates endless opportunities for beautiful pictures. Whether you are using a professional camera or a smartphone, every shot captures a piece of Dubai's history. So there, no visitors to this area is complete without appreciating the importance of Dubai Creek. For a generation, the creek connected Dubai to the rest of the world. Goods, people, and ideas traveled through these waters. As you see there, you use that water to travel, to go to the other side. You leave Dubai there and we come to Bur Dubai. So helping transform a small trading settlement into an international city. As I stand near the creek, I can see traditional wooden boats. I think you may watch it in this video there below. It's including in the video. So boats known as abras, The boats continue to transport passengers across the water just as they have for many years. Taking an Abra ride is one of the simplest and most experience in Dubai. And remember, when you're using that boats, Abra boats, it's only for 1 dirham. As you can see, the heart of this place. So what makes this journey special is the contrast between old and new. Yeah, in just a short distance, you can move from historical neighborhood filled with tradition to the modern skyline that defines Dubai today. This tells the story of city that respects its past while embarrassing the future. Visiting Al-Sif and Al-Fadi reminds me that Dubai's identify is built on more than luxury and innovation. So it's also built on culture and community understanding. This history make me appreciate the city even more.